Hi, so welcome back to Fuel Moto, welcome back to the hut. Today we're going to install a new Lextek exhaust on the old Triumph. So we're going to do a bit of unboxing and then do some before and after shots to see what it sounds like. So let's get through the unboxing, then we'll do the fitting, and then we can go for a little ride. So here's the Lextek box. A few things in here. That's going to be the link pipe. Let me just move that around. Okie dokie. So that's what you get from Lextek. Let's do the silencer first. So this is for the Triumph 800, 2018 bike. Don't get me wrong, triple engine sounds great, but just a bit quiet. So this is the silencer, nicely packed by Lextek, to be fair. Comes in a nice little bag. That is nice. So we've gone for the carbon tip. Yeah, these are really good value for what they are, to be honest. I run a Lextek on the CB500 race bike. You know, they're just, you know, for the money, pretty good quality, to be fair. Let's see what else we get in here. Okay, brackets to secure, new exhaust clamp, lovely. Anything else? Packing. Let's put that to one side. And I'm assuming then this is going to be the link pipe. And there she is. Standard exhaust, 12mm, 10mm. The Triumph 900 is quite interesting. I think the newer model of this is that it comes in two pieces. So it's got a link pipe and a silencer. I'm not sure whether this is just one piece. There are 3 Allen bolts connecting this. God, look how bad the quality is on this. Don't get me wrong, I love Triumphs, but some of this quality is not great on the finishing here. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cap off, see if it's one piece or two, and then go from there. It might just make it a little bit easier to get out. I'm going to try and do it without having to take off the pannier rack, but I may well have to. So let's get this cover off and see what the crack is. Okay, so this is actually all one piece. I'm not sure you can see that. So this is literally just a cover to cover the end, which may make it a little bit more difficult to get out. Anyway, right, so what I'm going to do is I'll put that back on so it isn't flapping around, and then we'll take off the two mounting things. Let's do this one first. Okay, that was fairly easy. Let's do the 12mm. I think there's a bolt the other side of this one. Yeah, there is. Okay. So one thing I'm always a little bit cautious when doing just an end cam is that you don't put too much weight through the headers, the manifold. So just make sure when we're wiggling this that we're not putting too much pressure through that before we really start to lean on it. Hopefully it will just wiggle out, but let's see. Okay, right, so that's all undone now. So we're going to just give it a little twist and see how easy this is to come off and what room we have. I think this could be a little bit. Wiggle, side to side. Bang on that a little bit, but I think it's coming. Yes. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Now I'll feed this through there. God, it weighs a ton though. And it's off. Splendid. Okie dokie, let's put this down. Put this over here like so. Oh. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is trial fit it and then think about maybe putting some silicone on if needs be, if there's any leaks. You know, it came with the sealant, so we'll do that. I'm just going to loosely tighten this now. Seems to be pretty good. Okay. First, place that down there. Okie dokie. And let's just offer this up and see what the crack is here. Okay. Oh well, it fits quite nicely. Perfect. Let me just push that out. I don't want to just leave that bent on there, to be honest with you, but let's get that. Okay, that fits. Okay, right, so okay, now we've got the exhaust. Let's just put the exhaust clamp on first. Let's not forget that. That would be a thing to do, and then we'll get the intro in. Perfect. Okay, so now let's get that through the can. Up slightly. Okay. Right, we're on the cam. Right, we're on the cam now. Let's just offer this up. Don't have to bash it off anything. Okie dokie, lovely. Right, and there we are. So, okay, looks good. Right, let's now just do these clamps up, and then we'll start it up and just see if there's any leaks anywhere. Whether we need to put any sealant on it. Now, I think that Matt from the workshop or Dirty Garage Guy, honestly, if you haven't watched his videos, go and watch them. They're amazing. The Del Boy videos are amazing, but one of the points he always makes is that you should tighten up from manifold back. So this is still pretty loose, so let's just tighten the manifold back, because obviously it just takes the stress off. If you tighten it silencer forward, then you can put stress on the manifold. So we'll just do it this way, and we'll go from there. I will check the torque settings. There wasn't any instructions, but I will just check whether try and provide any torque settings for these. Okay, so now we've got that. Let's do this one up. So it's nice and tight. That's still pretty loose, in fact. Let's just tighten it up a bit more. Pretty solid, and we'll just tighten this one up. We need to get the top mill in behind again. connected. I'll check the torque settings and come back to it. Okay, right, that feels a bit tight, but I'm not really. Okay, right, let's start it up. Still in neutral. What gear are we in? We are in neutral, I think. Not being expensive now. Neutral.